Hey, if you have Redmi Buds 6 Lite and you wonder if your version is fake or real, then I can show you how it looks. So I have an original version, I get it from the Xiaomi store. And first of all, let's focus on the charging case. So when we close it, right here we got the LED light. It's actually well made. On the back we've got the Redmi logo that looks like this. And right here we got the USB-C port with power button, the pairing button and the reset button. And it's well made. Now inside we can actually find a lot of marking. Take a look right here, what we can find here. So we've got the device name, some information about the charging case output and input wattage, manufacturer, where it was made, of course in China, and inside it looks like this. Now let's go into the earbuds. So first let's grab the left one, and right here we've got the marking with the device number. Right here we've got the cutout for microphone. There's also the transparent line on the stem, and there's another microphones right here. The silver pins to charge them, and when you roll out of this ear tip we can find size, which is located right here, and when you take it off, that's how it looks. And the right one looks the same. So that's all. Now you can tell me in the comments if your version is fake or real. Thanks for watching.